Academic OneFile from Gale contains millions of articles from over 17,000 scholarly journals and other authoritative sources, including NPR, CNN, and the BBC. It covers a wide range of topics and can be used for your research assignments. From the library homepage, click on the Research tab and view a list of the library databases in alphabetical order. Click on Academic OneFile Gale. If you're working off campus, you'll need to log in with your MEID. Enter your search term in the search box at the top of the page. Your results will generally start with academic journal articles, but you can click on the links along the top of the page to see results from other content types, such as magazines, books, newspapers, images, videos, and audio. You can filter your results on the right-hand side. For example, if you want to limit your results to those published in the past 5 years, you would use the publication date filter. You can also do a subject guide search. Click on Gale Academic OneFile on the top left to return to the home page. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Go To Subject Guide search. Enter your search term. If your topic is commonly known as a specific subject, click on the link. When you locate the subject you're researching, click on Subdivisions. This will break your subject down further. Look through the list of subdivisions, and when you find one relevant to your search, click on it to see the articles. To read an article in your results list, click on the title link. Once you've found a good article for your research, use the tools available on this page. For example, you can use the links available in the Explore box to find additional articles related to your topic. At the top of the article, you will find tools for translating the text into other languages, adjusting the font size, and having the article read to you. There are also tools that will allow you to save the article to your Google Drive or OneDrive. You can also email or download the article. In the upper right side of the screen, above the article's title, there's a citation tool that can be used for creating an MLA or APA citation. To do so, click on the Cite icon. A small window will pop up that contains the citation for your article. Once you have the format you need, you can use the button to select the text and then copy and paste it into your paper. Always double-check the citation once it's in your paper for errors and formatting. These tools are helpful but not perfect. If you need more assistance using Academic OneFile from Gale, contact an SEC librarian or use the Ask a Librarian chat feature on our homepage.